me at the end of the day when you have nothing else to say. What do you want me to say? Try blending my emotions. I know you're about to be oceans away. Please quit asking me to say I'm weak under your grasp, and my heart it won't last. No, my heart won't last. I thought it'd be me and you. I guess it wasn't true.